to spring, and from mountain to sea. Birds of Korea. The harsh season has come. Leaves have fallen, and lake has frozen. Nevertheless, birds are moving busy. Even in the cold winter, ducks search for food by digging through the ice and snow. As the weather warms up and the frozen lake melts down, the birds are getting more and more energized. While ducks compete to eat more as people spread out food for them. These guys are competing for another reason. They are fighting for love. After a fierce struggle, the winner won the love. Magpies are very familiar to Koreans. They are in various traditional fairy tales and children's songs. It's considered as an auspicious bird which brings good luck in Korea. There is a bird that is often mentioned with magpies. A crow. While magpies are considered auspicious, crows are considered bad news. Like magpies, crows are omnivores that eat grains, fruits, insects. In winter, you can see the herd of rooks in some cities, such as Osan, Suwon, Ulsan. Huge numbers of rooks fly to the city to sleep. The negative image of crows and the huge number makes citizens unwelcome. But the rooks return to the city every year. Guess the rooks doesn't care much. Upo wetland is a special wetland. It's the biggest wetland in Korea and also protected wetland under the Ramsar Convention. Not only these resident birds, but various migratory birds come to winter. Warm spring has come, and the green sprouts bloom. white-backed woodpecker pets the tree hard to eat caterpillars in it. Of course, woodpecker is a good chance, but you can see more special birds in Upu. It is the crested ibis that once extincted in Korea. The last observation record for ibises in Korea was 1979. But we brought some back from China in 2008. And restored them at Upo wetland. Therefore, Upo ibises have a locator on their back and their legs are ringed. Since it was an extinct bird, we should pay more attention to its preservation. You don't necessarily have to go into the forest to see birds. You can also see many birds in Seoul. At Cheonggyecheon, you can observe gray herons closer than at the zoo. In Changgyeonggung Palace, which was built in the 15th century, you can see the mandarin ducks. The pair of male and female seems to have a good relationship. And for this reason, there is a tradition of placing a pair of mandarin duck dolls in the bedroom of the newlyweds. It's a wet bird, but strangely, it climbs a tree and lays its eggs in the tree. At Bongwonsa Temple, in the middle of downtown Seoul, you can see many birds. Sparrows are very familiar to people as pigeons. They seem to be more popular than pigeons because of their small and cute look. Spring is in full bloom. It's not just people who are excited to see the flowers. Brown-eared dobu also enjoys meal with a lot of pollen on their beaks. After the meal, they start taking a bath. Japanese white-eye, which lives mostly in the southern, is busier than bulbuls. Marado Island, the southernmost part of Korea, is a good place for birdwatching. As the old saying, the early bird catches the worm. Pacific swifts fly on the sea early in the morning. Inside the island, there is an ancient stone church. The Asian stonechat is a summer migratory bird that spends winter in Southeast Asia. Like most birds, females are lighter in color than males. Behind the stonechat is starry and redstart. The redstart is a common resident bird that can be seen everywhere in Korea throughout the year. Females are mild brown. Males are characterized by orange belly and gray hair. Back to the shoreline, there is a blue rock thrush. It is also a resident bird that can be easily seen on the coast. We could see various birds in Marado Island. Such as yellow-throated bunting, sparrows, Japanese white-eye, and hoopoe. When the weather gets warmer, many other migratory birds come. But as we can see these various birds, we can also easily find a dead one. There are some reasons for their death. Some of them are exhausted from crossing the ocean, or it may have been attacked by predators, such as common kestrels or stray cats. Stray cat is a deadly threat to birds who are exhausted from crossing the sea. like the stray cats in Marado Island, are taken care by humans. When humans intervene in the ecosystem, we need to consider fully what impact it will have.